Hi, today's lesson is going to be a review of the regions of Virginia. This will be a physically active lesson, so make sure you have a little bit of space and have on proper tennis shoes. Let's get started. Here is a picture of the 5 regions of Virginia. We will be going over each one of these just as a quick review, and then we will ask some questions about each region. Let's begin with the coastal plain region. This is the region we live in. It's shaded in green on the map. It's also known as the Tidewater region. It has low, flat land and is located near the Atlantic Ocean and Chesapeake Bay. It includes the eastern shore, which is circled here. It's also located east of the fall line, which the arrow is pointing to. And here is a picture of an area of the fall line. It's the natural border between the coastal plain and the Piedmont region. This is where waterfalls prevent further travel on the river. We are going to represent the coastal plain region by pretending to swim. I want you to stand up and move your arms in a swimming motion to a count of 10. And I'll count for you. Ready? Begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Great. Let's move on. Let's look at the Piedmont region. The Piedmont region is shaded in yellow. This region's name means at the foot of the mountain. It has many rolling hills and is located west of the fall line that is indicated by the arrow. It is also home to our state capital, Richmond, Virginia. We are going to remember the Piedmont region by running in place, using our feet, running at the foot of the mountain. So, standing in one spot, jog to a count of 10. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Let's talk about the Blue Ridge Mountain region. It is shaded in purple on the map. This region has old rounded mountains and is part of the Appalachian mountain system. It is known for its snow skiing because it has such nice mountains. It is located between the Piedmont and the Valley and Ridge regions. It's also the source or beginning of many rivers. We are going to remember the Blue Ridge Mountains by doing skier jumps. This is when you put your feet together and jump side to side, back and forth. Pause this video and do 10 skier jumps and then hit play to continue. Next is the Valley and Ridge region. The Valley and Ridge region is shaded in orange on your map. This region is also part of the Appalachian mountain system, just like the Blue Ridge Mountain region. It is home to the Great Valley of Virginia and other valleys separated by ridges. In the picture at the top right-hand side of your screen, there's a picture of a valley. The Valley and Ridge region is located west of the Blue Ridge Mountains. The arrow is pointing to the Blue Ridge Mountains, so you can see that it is west. We are going to do a V-sit to represent the Valley and Ridge region. So I want you to go down on the floor and sit like this picture and try to hold it for 5 seconds. It is tricky. You'll probably need to pause the video to practice and then hit play when you're ready to move on. Finally, we have the Appalachian Plateau. The Appalachian Plateau region is shaded in light orange on the screen. This region is located in the southwest part of Virginia. It is mostly known for its high, flat land and coal mining. To remember this, we are going to do toe touches, but we're only going to do toe touches to our left foot because that would be the southwest part of our body. So what I want you to do is do 5 toe touches to your left foot to represent the Appalachian Plateau. You can hit pause and do them, and then hit play to move on. There are 10 questions on the regions that I have created. Each one has choices with the exercise that represents that region beside it. At any time, please pause the video so that you can do the exercise and then hit play when you're ready for the answer. Number 1, which of the following regions is home to the state capital, Richmond, Virginia? If you think it's the coastal plain, I want you to swim for a count of 10. If it is the Piedmont region, I want you to jog in place for a count of 10. If it's the Blue Ridge Mountains, I want you to do 10 skier jumps side to side. And if it's the Valley and Ridge, I want you to try to hold the V-sit for 10 seconds. You may pause the video and then hit play when you're ready to see the answer. If you chose Piedmont and jogged in place, that's the correct answer. Richmond, Virginia is located in the Piedmont region. Number 2. Which of the following regions has old rounded mountains and is the source or beginning of many rivers? Look at your choices, look at the exercises. Pause the video and do the exercise, and then hit play to see if you are correct. The correct answer is the Blue Ridge Mountains, and you should have done 10 skier jumps. Question number 3. Which of the following is home to the Eastern Shore? Your choices are below, the exercises are beside it. Choose your answer, do your exercise, make sure you pause the video prior to exercising, and then hit play when you're ready. The coastal plain is home to the Eastern Shore, so you should have done 10 swimming strokes. Question number 4. Which of the following regions is also called the Tidewater region? Look at the answers, choose the exercise, pause the video, do the exercise, and then hit play. The coastal plains is also called the Tidewater region. This is the region that we live in. Number 5. Which of the following regions is located by the Atlantic Ocean and Chesapeake Bay? Choose your answer, look at the exercise, pause the video, do the exercise, and then hit play to check your answer. The answer once again is coastal plains. You should have done swimming strokes. Number 6. Which of the following regions is located just west of the fall line? West of the fall line. Look at your choices, look at the exercise, pause the video, do the exercise, and then hit play. The answer is the Piedmont region, so you should have jogged in place for a count of 10. Let's move on. Which of the following regions is the smallest of the regions and located in the southwestern part of Virginia? Look at your choices, pause the video, do the exercise, and then hit play. The answer is the Appalachian Plateau. You should have been doing toe touches to your left foot that represents the southwestern part. Let's move on. Number 8. Which of the following regions is located between the Valley and Ridge region and the Piedmont region? You only have 3 choices. Look at your choices, pause the video, do the exercise, and then hit play. The Blue Ridge Mountains are between the Valley and Ridge region and the Piedmont region. Number 9. Which of the following regions' names means land at the foot of the mountains? Look at your choices, pause the video, do your exercise, and then hit play. The Piedmont means land at the foot of the mountains. You should have jogged in place for a count of 10. Last question. Which of the following regions includes the Great Valley of Virginia? Look at your choices, pause the video, do your exercises, and hit play. You should have done your V-sit for Valley and Ridge. Thank you for participating in this physically active lesson. Hopefully, this lesson gave you an extra boost of energy through exercise and help you practice remembering vital information about the 5 regions of Virginia. Have a great day.